So in this October 2018 interview, you said that you had, quote, donated, end quote, your entire divorce settlement to charity, right?
That's correct.
And in fact, your exact words were, quote, $7 million in total was donated to, I split it between the ACLU and the Children's Hospital of Los Angeles, end quote, right?
That's correct. I made that statement as soon as I got a divorce and we reached the settlement. That's when I pledged it, right then.
And you say this because you, quote, wanted nothing, end quote.
That is correct.
But you hadn't donated your entire $7 million settlement to charity at that point, had you?
That's incorrect.
Sitting here today, Ms. Heard, you still haven't donated the $7 million divorce settlement to charity. Isn't that right?
Incorrect. I pledged the entirety of the settlement, $7 million to charity, and I intend to fulfill those obligations.
I don't understand. Is this what you want?
No. Oh no, a hug will save it all. Everything we just been
I just wanted to touch you.
through. Really? After all the shit you just said?
I just wanted to give
After
you a
all the
hug.
shit you fucking accused me of, you want to touch me?
Please stop me.
Fucking
Please stop.
fucking nuts.
Please, I just wanted to hug you and say bye. I didn't want it to end
Yeah,
bad.
we did that last night. It's fine. That was good enough. No, because I'm nothing to you. And I will always be nothing to you.
Calm.
Well, you're not my friend. No, you're on fucking No, we'll never see each other again. You won't don't take my fucking glasses off. You don't like fucking...
Guys, did you see how Johnny Depp's lawyers completely humiliated Amber and her legal team with all the right facts and proof? Stay tuned if you haven't been catching up with the trial lately. We've got some shockers that are bound to leave your jaw dropped. Before we head into all the juicy details of the trial, don't forget to like the video and hit the bell icon to subscribe to the channel. You're in for a ride today, y'all. Anyway, it looks like the world has finally had enough of Amber and her lies, and the people want justice. Thankfully, Depp's team is as strong as could be, and they have come equipped with all the proofs. Team Depp just brought Amber and her lies to the ground as they uncovered one juicy bit of proof after another. Here is number 1. So here's what happened. All her lies were getting so intense that Amber's team couldn't do much other than shame Depp's side for trying too hard. Here's what they said. A spokesperson for the actress told Page 6 they expected the Pirates of the Caribbean star's legal team to pound away on the victim. There's an old saying by trial lawyers, when the facts are on your side, argue the facts. The statement began. When the facts are not on your side, pound away on the podium. The rep added, today we expect Depp's attorneys will instead pound away on the victim. We fear it will be equal parts shameful and desperate, and the overwhelming evidence, the truth, is not on Depp's side. Depp's team, however, wasn't going to be scared away and completely humiliated them without saying much. They said they would be most telling and will certainly highlight the many fallacies Ms. Heard has now attempted to pass off as fact throughout her convoluted testimony. Number 2 is here. Another time, Depp's team showed Amber her place when she came up with allegations that Johnny Depp had hit her and abused her. The defamation trial began in Fairfax County, Virginia on April 11th, and after weeks of testimony from family members, former employees, and Depp himself, Heard took to the stand 2 weeks ago Wednesday. The Pineapple Express actor alleged the jurors that Depp had beaten and threatened to kill her when he abused drugs and alcohol. Depp's legal team called Heard's testimony the performance of her life. This one Twitter user even said she's putting up a performance. They tweeted, "You want to know why Amber Heard's acting in court is so bad? It's because she's putting on the performance of her life for a character that she doesn't understand because she was never abused by Johnny Depp." Here is the crazy number 3. Did you know that Amber got so humiliated while the trial was going on that she even fired half of her team? Yep, you heard that right. Heard changed PR teams mid-trial following a litany of unfavorable headlines. The Post spoke to a source who said the Magic Mike XXL actress doesn't like bad headlines, and another insider said she is frustrated with her story not being told effectively. This one Twitter user talked about how her new team is trying to use her baby to make her look good. They said, Amber Heard's PR team using her daughter as prop? When is this woman going to effing stop? #Justice for Johnny Depp. If you think that was bad, wait till you hear the next one. Number 4 left Amber so humiliated. Wait till you hear this. In the ex-couple's defamation trial on Monday, the Aquaman star alleged that she experienced physical abuse before and after their short marriage. Depp's counsel showed images of Heard making public appearances on red carpets and the James Corden show, immediately after occasions that she alleged Depp had hit her with his hands, on which he generally wore heavy rings. The photos proved before jurors seemed to disclose no damage. Heard claimed the injury, which included what she felt was a fractured nose, was not serious enough to be obvious or was covered up by cosmetics. But it looks like the team had finally caught her in her bed of lies. Another user on Twitter pointed out the contradiction in the statement. It's so hilarious. Hear this out. They tweeted, Camille, Mr. Depp wears large rings on his fingers, doesn't he, Miss Heard? Amber, that's my experience with him, yes. Camille, so there should be visible bruises, shouldn't there be? Amber, no, with a clown face. #Johnny Depp trial. I'm literally just shaking my head. Number 5 is when Depp's lawyers put her in her place. Camille Vasquez, a lawyer for Mr. Depp, told jurors Miss Heard had been the aggressor throughout the relationship. Miss Heard concocted a role for herself as victim. Ms. Vasquez said once Mr. Depp had asked her for a divorce in an attempt to avoid humiliation, she is obsessed with her public image, she said. She has been living and breathing this role for years now, and she is preparing to give the performance of her life. Number 6 on our list is when they showed her how she had messed up Depp's life so bad. It got so bad that Depp wasn't even ready to look her in the eyes. Depp's attorney began her cross-examination of Heard on Monday afternoon, playing the audio clips of the two in 2016, during which Depp told her, "You will not see my eyes again." Heard acknowledged that Depp had not looked at her during the trial. "Mr. Depp hasn't looked at you once this entire trial, has he?" Camille Vasquez, one of the Pirates of the Caribbean actors' attorneys, asked. Heard replied, "Not that I've noticed, no." "You've looked at him many times, haven't you?" Vasquez continued, with Heard telling the attorney, "Yes, I have." Vasquez then followed with, "You know exactly why Mr. Depp won't look back at you, don't you?" Which the stand actress confirmed with, "I do." "He promised you you would never see his eyes again, is that true?" Vasquez asked. While Heard told the court, "I don't recall if he said that." "He's kept that promise, hasn't he?" Vasquez asked. "As far as I know, he cannot look at me," responded Amber. "He won't look at you, right, Miss Heard?" said Vasquez, with Heard replying, "He can't." A spokesperson for Heard previously issued a statement saying that Depp does not have the courage to even look at Miss Heard. Here, take a look at this clip.
I don't understand. Is this what you want?
No. Oh no, a hug will save it all. All this, everything we
I just wanted to touch you.
Really? After all this shit you just said?
I just wanted to give you a hug.
After all this shit you fucking accused me of, you want to touch me?
Please stop me. Please stop.
Fucking nuts.
Please, I just wanted to hug you and say bye. I didn't want to take it
Yeah,
back.
we did that last night. It's fine. That was good enough. No, because I'm nothing to you, and I will always be nothing to you.
Calm.
The user tweeted, #Johnny Depp. You will not see my eyes again. Depp's attorneys played the recording from San Francisco of #Amber Heard telling #Johnny Depp, "Please, I just want to hug you." Depp responding, "You will not see my eyes again." The last time Depp's team absolutely humiliated her and her team was when they proved that she was not just an abuser, but she also lied about donating money to the poor. She is so weird that she made public announcements that she will be donating money, but instead, she ate it all up. The $7 million divorce settlement that Amber Heard obtained from Johnny Depp apparently went to the ACLU and Children's Hospital of Los Angeles. despite her claims before the UK High Court that she donated it, according to People magazine. Heard has publicly said that she will divide the settlement money between the two organizations when the divorce was finalized in 2016. A video deposition of ACLU General Counsel Terrence Doherty claims that Heard never gave the $3.5 million she had promised the organization. The organization got just $1.3 million of the promised $3.5 million, including a contribution in Heard's name from Johnny Depp. Actress Amber Heard paid $350,000 straight to Doherty, who said that Johnny Depp then gave the organization a $100,000 check thereafter. Vanguard and Fidelity's donor-advised funds gave them an additional $500,000 and $350,000 respectively. According to Doherty, the $500,000 gift was made by Elon Musk. As part of the deposition, Depp's attorneys inquired of Doherty. She has not contributed $3.5 million to the ACLU, true? That's correct, they said. Even Piers Morgan was super mad about it. He tweeted, "So Amber Heard's a liar, and if she's lying about paying money to charity, why should we believe anything else she says?" In a 2016 email to the ACLU, Tesla CEO Elon Musk said that the payments will be delivered over a 10-year period on behalf of Heard. Doherty was questioning why Musk was representing this on behalf of Ms. Heard, to which he said because the Tesla CEO had a past contact with the group. "We learned that she was experiencing financial troubles when the organization contacted Heard in 2019 to seek for a payment." That's what Doherty said. When Doherty testified in a UK court in 2020 that Heard lied about donating the settlement cash to the organizations, Depp still lost. I don't know about you guys, but my head is spinning. That's all we have for today, folks. What do you think of all the lies that have been unraveled? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.